What's up, everyone? I haven't made a video in a little while, a real video in a little while, but I've been trying to get everything done and ready to go to San Antonio.
Lone Star event in San Antonio. And
my wife has some business. She's got a business trip I'm tagging along with, so I try to get all my stuff done so I can go and spend 4 days in San Antonio. Never been there before. Looks pretty cool. Looks like a nice place. Very touristy, but I'm excited to walk around and see what I can find. We're not taking the Tesla. We're flying because we're in Charlotte, North Carolina. That's a long drive in the Tesla with supercharging. It's probably 26 hours drive with all the supercharging, so we're flying. But I'm going to be there for 4 days, so I'd like to, if anybody has been there before, comment below on what's cool to do there. I know the river walk is there. I'm gonna spend some time there. Our hotel's right on the river, right by the Tower of America, Towers of America, or Tower of America. So that's gonna be fun. I get to explore while she goes to her seminars, but that's fine. We'll have the evenings together to check out all the places I found during the day. I'm gonna do some Tesla hunting as well. Since I'm not gonna have my Tesla there, I'm gonna try to vlog a little bit, not really.
You can check it out on YouTube. I'm blowing up.
But I'm gonna take some video of all the Teslas I see, how many there are, how many Teslas there are. I know there's no supercharger there right now. They're in the process of building one. Kind of, they have the permit, but they don't have the, they haven't started. So I'm kind of curious to see how many Teslas are around without having a supercharger. Might also be cool to, if there's any Tesla YouTubers that live in San Antonio, if you want to hit me up, if you're not doing anything during the day, maybe we can collaborate and do something together. But I plan on flying the drone quite a bit. I'm allowed to fly it in the city, I found out. So I'm gonna take some cool pictures of stuff, some cool video of the buildings, the river walk. I love the looks when you're driving. When you're driving a Tesla on the highway, I love the looks from other cars that you get. They slow down, they stare at you. They stare at the car, even if they're driving a pretty nice car. But most importantly, what I really love is the person driving in this lane sees a cop on the other side of the highway trying to get people, and there's a big barrier in between, and they slow way down.
cops are coming.
It's not like the cop is gonna jump that barrier and try to get you. I don't understand people. But yeah, comment below if you've been to San Antonio, or if you live in San Antonio, what the cool place to see. I don't want to go to a zoo or museum or anything like that. See some technology stuff. I know it's an old city, but I'd still like to see some cool stuff, see some Teslas. Comment below too if you live in San Antonio and you do own a Tesla. I'd like to know how many Tesla owners are there. See how big the population is. I'm excited to go there and see it. It's supposed to be nice weather. It's going to be beautiful. We're going the 29th of January. I'm going to wear all my Tesla t-shirts that I had made. If you haven't seen those, click the link somewhere over here, and that'll take you to the store to see all the t-shirts I made, all the Tesla kind of designs of the weight for the Model 3, for all the women out there, the Tesla Divas. I made a bunch of shirts for them from the Facebook group. But check out the link, see what t-shirts you like. I got a couple of my favorites. I like the newest one I made. It's an American flag, but instead of stars, I put the Tesla logos for all the stars. So there's 50 Tesla logos on there. It says Made in America. Because there are not too many car companies that are made in America now. Have you noticed that? There's not that many good car companies anymore either.